Welcome to the AI Launchpad kit, where artificial intelligence meets hands-on learning. Today, we'll take the first steps by setting up the Raspberry Pi Pico with Micropython. This will be your foundation for all the exciting AI projects ahead. You will need a laptop or a desktop computer with operating systems such as Windows or Linux, a Raspberry Pi Pico, and a mini USB cable. To begin, we need to install Thonny, a user-friendly Python IDE, the integrated development environment that will allow us to program the Raspberry Pi Pico. Fire up your browser, Chrome or Firefox, and enter the thonny.org website URL in the address bar, and then follow the steps as I walk you through the process. Click on the top right Download button for Windows. Download the latest version of Thonny. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll soon have Thonny installed and ready to go.